Welcome. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to view the groups you have joined on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Follow these simple steps to easily access the groups you are a part of. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device by tapping on the WhatsApp icon. This will launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Step 2. Swipe down on the main screen of WhatsApp. This action will reveal additional options and settings at the top of the screen. Step 3. Now, locate and tap on the Groups option at the top of the screen. By tapping on the Groups section, you will be able to view all the groups you have joined on WhatsApp. By following these quick and easy steps, you can effortlessly navigate to the Groups section on WhatsApp to see the groups you are a member of. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to view the groups you have joined on WhatsApp. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in demonstrating how to access your groups on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials.